Correct, check whether x square plus 1 upon x square equal 3, x is not equal to 0. Check whether this is a quadratic equation or not. What will you say about it? Not a quadratic equation. Or yes, this is not a quadratic equation. What is reason? बोलो बेटा, what is reason? गुड, x से क्योंकि अगर एलसीएम लेंगे x स्क्वायर का यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे दिस इज x टू द पावर 4 प्लस 1 इक्वल 3x स्क्वायर like this one. So x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 1 equal 0, which is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic, ठीक है? So you will do question number 1 like this. Just by simplifying, first of all you will simplify the question and then we'll check it has highest degree 2 or not. If there will be a highest degree of 2 x, then that will be a quadratic equation. Otherwise, no. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड 6x square minus x minus 2 equal 0 and minus 1 by 2 2 by 3. क्वेश्चन समझना, कह रहा है कि in each of the following determine whether the given numbers are roots of the equation or not. यहाँ x की दो वैल्यूज दे रखे हैं, this one is x1 and this one is x2, means alpha and beta. You have to check if these two values are the solution of this quadratic equation or not. How can you check? Just put the value x1 minus 1 by 2 at x here. If left hand side, right hand side will be 0, then that is a roots. Similarly, again put x equal 2 by 3 and check if both sides, because right hand side is 0, so left hand side should be equal to 0. And if there will be 0, then definitely the given numbers are the solution of quadratic equation. So students, just check your solution. Just put the value here 6 multiply minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 minus 2 equal 0. अभी लेके चलते हैं अनामिका यादव x equal 3. देखो this is equal to 6 into 1 upon 4 आएगा x upon 4 और plus 1 upon 2 minus 2 equal 0. The LCM is 4. So if you are taking LCM, 6 plus 2 minus 8 equal 0. So 8 minus 8 equal 0. So 0 equal. So you can see here कि after putting the value of x equal minus 1 by 2, both left hand side and right hand side is 0. So definitely x equal minus 1 by 2 is the solution of this quadratic equation. Okay. So you will say what? It is definitely x equal minus 1 by 2 is solution of given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Clear? But are roots of this equation? What are you saying? Now the second part is equal 6x square minus x minus 2 minus x minus 2 equals 0. Now come to check 2 by 3, both 2 by 3 is the roots of this equation or not. Just put the value here. 6 into 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 minus 2 equal 0. 6 into 4 divided by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 equal 0. What is the LCM? LCM of this one is 9. So this is 6 for the 24 minus 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. ठीक है? 3 3 is 9 और here 9 2 is 18 equal 0. 24 minus 24 equal 0. 0 equal. Hence, again this one is also a root of the quadratic equation. So then you will say x equal 2 by 3 is also solution of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Both are the roots of the quadratic equation. The remaining questions you will do like this. Okay, how can you? Yes, usage as well as it, right? Have you written? Chalo. Come to the question number 4 part, first part. The question is question number 4. आपसे पूछ रहा है कि if minus 1 by 2 is a solution of 3x square plus 2kx minus 3 equals 0, then find the value of k. The question is if minus 1 by 2, if minus 1 by 2 is the solution of this quadratic equation, then find the value of 2, sorry, k. So definitely if this is the solution of this quadratic equation, so this one will satisfy the given quadratic equation. So just put the value of x equal minus 1 by 2 in the given quadratic equation. So this is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2k into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 equal 0. This is equal to 3 into 1 by 4 and minus k 1 by 2, 2 cancel out, but this is minus k minus 3 equal 0. क्योंकि 2 is 2 cancel out and minus plus multiply minus. So now the LCM is 4. So this is equal to 3 minus 4k minus 12 equal 0. 12 or 3 minus 4k minus 9 equal 0. 12 minus 3 9. Transpose minus 9 to the right side minus 4k equal 9, k equal minus 9 by 4. This is your answer. So for the value of k equal minus 9 by 4, x equal minus by 1 by 2 is the solution of this quadratic equation. Students, are you listening? Yes. Any students, if any students who can send your screenshot, just send me. Anyone, कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो अपना स्क्रीनशॉट लेके दे सकता है, just send me personally because I want to see what are you doing. Okay, students, just take your screenshot and send to me personally. I will see after the class. जो भी भेज सकते हैं भेज देना बेटा. ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 is also like this one. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का सेकंड पार्ट देखते हैं इसका। 5 second part. Question number 5. The question is, if A is the root of quadratic equation, if A is the root of quadratic equation, x square minus A plus B into x plus k equals 0, then find the value of k. If the question is, if A is the root of quadratic equation, this part. A is the roots of quadratic. Aryan Singh has solved. Good. So just put the value of x equal A because it is given. A is root of this quadratic equation. So find the value of x. Sorry, k. Just put x equal A in the given quadratic equation. Okay, and do the question. Everyone solve yourself and check the solution. Find the solution, beta. What is the value of k? Put x equal a whole square minus a plus b into a plus a equal 0. If you are simplifying a square minus a into a square, a into b plus minus sign will do this plus as a minus ab plus a equal 0. A square cancel out. Minus AB transpose to the right side. A equal minus AB here. To the right side will be plus AB. So the value of A is AB. This is the answer. Anamika Yadav has solved this question. As Kanogia also. Yes, Sumit Chaurasia. बेटा जितने भी आप presented are here, you will just take your screenshot and will share to me personally. Okay? Today I will see your screen. The next part is difference. Question number 6 is different. So see the question number 6. The question is, if 2 by 3 and minus 3 are the roots of the equation px square plus 7x plus q equals 0, find p and q. ठीक है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछ रहा है कि if 2 by 3 and minus 3 both are the roots of this equation, then you have to find the value of p and q. Nancy Sahu has solved already. Good, अभी क्वेश्चन वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा। ऐसे ही अगर स्टूडेंट रहे तो फिर काम आसान बन जाते हैं। एवरीवन हैज सॉल्व्ड द क्वेश्चन। गुड, बहुत अच्छा। Just put the value of x equal 2 by 3 here, you will get a equation in p and q, and again put the value x equal minus 3, again you will get a quadratic equation, and then solve by simultaneously as you solve can get the value of p and q. So let's see here once again. Put the value p equal 2 by 3 square plus 7 into 2 by 3 plus q equal 0. So this is a roots of the quadratic equation. So the solution is will satisfy. This one will be 2 to the 4 p divided by 9 plus 7 to the 14 divided by 3 plus q equal 0. Now you can see the LCM is 9 and 3 is 9. So this equation will become 4p plus 3 3 ja 9 or 14 3 ja 42 plus 9q equal 0. ठीक है बेटा, क्योंकि यहाँ 9 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 3 जा 9, 14 3 जा 42. So this is 4p plus 12 plus 9q equal 0. Consider this as a equation 1. This make as a equation 1. Now again put the value of p equal minus 3, x equal minus 3. If you are putting the x equal minus 3, p into minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 plus q equal 0. This is 9p minus 27 1 plus q equal 0, and consider this as a equation second. Now to find the value of q or p, see just eliminate any one p or q. Here there is plus q and here is plus 9q. So the multiply by 9 second equation and then subtract to get the value of p by elimination method. So just eliminate these two equations. Sorry, I have read the question from second into 9 minus first. सेकेंड में 9 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 9 9 जा 81p माइनस 9 1 जा 9 9 2 जा 18 प्लस 9q इक्वल 0, and this is 4p plus 42 or plus 9q equal 0. These are the equations which you will get after the multiplying by 2 in second, and then after subtracting, this is first, and to subtract just change the sign. This one will cancel out. 81 minus 4, 7 and 6, sorry 7p, and these two are minus, so minus 9 to 11 carry 1, 8 4 1 12 carry 1 13 carry 1 or 1 2. So 77p equal 230. P equal 231 divided by 7. Definitely this is 3 times. 3 7 are 21 carry 2. 3 7 are 21 and 2 23. So the value of P is 3. Now put the value of P here in this the first equation. You will get 9 into 3 minus 21 plus q equal 0. 9 3 are 27 minus 21 plus q equal 0. 27 minus 21 6. So 6 plus q equal 0. So definitely q is minus 6. So these are the answer. P equal 3 and q equal minus 6. So what I have done here, just put the value of x. Two values are given. The first one is 2 by 3 and the second one is minus 3. If you will put x equal 2 by 3, I think you will get this equation, second one, that is 4p minus 42 plus 9q. You will get that thing. And by putting minus 3, see here, 3 3 are 9, p minus 21 plus q equals 0. Two equation you will get. Now eliminate q. Here there is plus q, and in the second equation minus plus 9q. So multiplying this equation 9 so that it can become 9q. So here I am multiplying 9 9 is 81, 9 21 is 189, 9q equals 0. And this is the second equation. Now subtract. During subtraction, we should change the sign. So here it is minus, here is minus, here is minus. Now plus 9q minus 9q is cancel out. These two are minus, so these two will sum up. That will become minus 231. ये दोनों निगेटिव है, इसलिए दोनों निगेटिव ऐड हो जाएंगे. एंड 81 minus 4 equal 77p equal 0. Now just transpose minus 231 to the right side, you will get 77p equal 231. 231 77 will divide 231 3 times will goes, and the value of p you will get 3. This is the value of p. Now put the value of p in first equation here. 9 into 3 minus 21 plus 2 equals 0. 9 into 3 equals 27 minus 21 plus 2 equals 0. Now 27 minus 21, 6 plus q equals 0. That means q equal minus 6. Transpose 6 to the right side. In this way, you can find the value of p and any problem anywhere. कहीं किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी स्टेप में कुछ पूछना है साहिबा. चलो बेटा, तो एक क्वेश्चन हम देते हैं और फाइनली यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए देते हैं. और इस क्वेश्चन का स्क्रीनशॉट जरूर भेजना आप लोग. अंडर सॉल्व सॉल्व अंडर रूट 2x plus 9 equal 13 minus x. 13 minus x. 2x plus 9 equal 13 minus x. सॉल्व करो बेटा. Under root 2x plus 9 equal 13 minus x. First of all, what can you do? You know better. ठीक है, and how to factorize you know also better. So try yourself. Just I will see your answer. Don't leave students, solve your question and show me. 5 minutes is remaining. During in 5 minutes you can solve the question. Anyone have solved? अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो पूछ सकते हो। एक दो स्टेप जो भी अगर आ रहा है तो बिल्कुल सॉल्व करो और मुझे बताओ। Anyone have solved? अगर if you have solved then just tell me। अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो भी बता दो, अगर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो भी बता दो। डोंट पास द टाइम। Aryan is doing good. Doing okay, okay। Do you just स्क्वायर देखो, एक सिंपल है, जस्ट इसको स्क्वायर करोगे यू विल गेट 2x plus 9 equal 13 minus x whole square। And after getting a quadratic equation, you can do this one, 2x plus 9 equal 169 plus x square minus 26x। So this is equal to x square minus 26x minus 2x plus 169 minus 9 equals 0. So this is x square minus 28x plus 160 equal 0. Now it has become quadratic equation, and you know 20 and 8, 28, and if you will multiply you will get 160. So there are two answers. Sumit Chaurasi has given the right answer. After him also Nitish Verma has solved. Nitish, you have solved only one solution. Okay, Harsh Kanoji has also. Students, very thank you। ठीक है, कल फिर इसी एक्सरसाइज से डिस्कस करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज 4.5.2 डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, आई होप कि आप क्वेश्चंस को आसानी से कर रहे हैं घर पे और मेहनत कर रहे हैं। कोई भी क्वेश्चन बेटा छोड़ना नहीं है, चाहे वो किसी भी एक्सरसाइज से हो, करना सब है। आप रेगुलर करते रहिए, रेगुलर पूछते रहिए, कभी भी किसी भी टाइम whenever you will ask, I will reply you, because you are at home and you are studying at home, so this is my responsibility to answer you। So do the best, okay students, thank you।